Hello guys! Today, ang ituturo ko sa inyo is all about volume of pyramids with regular polygons as the base. Okay, let's start. So, volume of a regular triangular pyramid. So, we have here the volume for a regular triangular pyramid given by V is equals to A cube over 6 square root of 2, where A, this is the side of a tetrahedron or regular triangular pyramid. Okay? So, formula based lang tayo for this lesson. Okay? So, kapag regular triangular pyramid, ang volume lang niya is A cube over 6 square root of 2. Given na yung A natin, ito yung side ng ating tetrahedron or nung regular triangular pyramid natin. And then, for the volume of the pyramid with a regular pentagon base, so kapag ang base naman ng ating pyramid is pentagon, so ang volume naman niya is the quantity square root of 25 plus 10 square root of 5 over 12 multiply by a squared multiply by h. So, ito lang siya, medyo mahaba. So, formula based tayo, pero medyo mahaba siya. Ayan. Wherein yung a uli, ito yung side length ng hexagonal base natin. So, ito. So, side siya ng base ng hexagon. And then, yung h naman, ito naman yung height ng ating pyramid. And then, finally, volume of the pyramid with a regular hexagon base. So, this time, hexagon naman, 6-sided. So, given by this formula, V is equals to 3 square root of 3 over 2 multiply by a squared times height. So, A uli, ito yung side length ng hexagonal or ito yung side length ng hexagon na base natin. And then, yung H is height pa rin ng ating pyramid. Okay? So, let's dive into some examples para mas maintindihan nyo kung paano natin nagagamit itong mga formula natin. Okay? So, for our first example, what is the volume of a regular triangular pyramid whose side is 3 feet long? So, we have given here na 3 feet long. So, that is our A. Kasi siya daw yung side ng ating triangular pyramid. So, A is equals to 3 feet. And given dito, binigay na rin na ang formula for our regular triangular pyramid is V is equals to A cube over 6 square root of 2. Okay? So, plug in lang natin yung values natin. So, plug in natin yung A. So, this is 3 feet. So, cube natin to over 6 square root of 2. Then, simplify natin tong 3 feet cube kapag kinube natin siya. So, 3. Magiging 3 times 3 times 3. That is 27. Then, yung feet, magiging feet cube to. Over 6 square root of 2. Then finally, you can use your calculator for this one kasi yung ating square root of 2, wala naman siyang exact na whole number na square root. So, gamit na lang kayo ng calculator for this one. So, 27 feet cube divided by 6 square root of 3 is equal to 3.18 feet cube. So, therefore, the volume for this regular triangular pyramid is 3.18 feet cube. So, formula lang yung kailangan nating tandaan. And then, plug in lang tayo ng values. So, ayun na yung magiging sagot natin. Okay? So, let's proceed sa ating second example. Find the volume of a pyramid that has a pentagonal base of side length 1 meter and a height of 3 meters. So, pag side length, siya yung ating letter A. Okay? Siya yung A natin. So, ang A daw natin is 1 meter. And then, ang height is equals to 3 meter. So, we have here given naman yung volume formula natin. Which is ito yung mahaba. So, V is equal to the square root of 25 plus 10 square root of 5 over 12. And then, multiply natin to sa a squared times ating height. So, plug in lang tayo ng values. So, V is equals to, etong puro square root natin na to, okay, kapag kinalculate, etong puro square root natin na to, kapag nilagay nyo sa calculator, kasi wala namang mga exact ano to eh. Wala tong mga exact square root, okay? Hindi siya yung pag hinanap mo yung square root, whole number yung lalabas. So, kapag pinlog in mo tong square root na to divided by 12 sa ating calculator, ang lalabas dyan is 0.57. So, this is 0.57. And then, yung A natin, which is 1 meter, so square to. And then yung ating height na 3 meters. Okay? So, simplify natin to, 0.57. And then yung 1 meter, kapag in-square natin, magiging 1 meter squared na siya. Multiply by 3 meters. And then finally, simplifying this, kapag minultiply natin to lahat, so 0.57 times 1 meter square times 3 meters, ang lalabas dito is 1.72. Siyempre, don't forget the unit. So, meter square times meter, magiging meter cube na siya. So, this is our final answer. So, this is the volume of a pyramid na merong pentagonal base. Okay? So, let's proceed sa ating third example. So, for our third example, what is the volume of a regular hexagonal pyramid whose side length is 6 cm and the height is 10 cm? So, side length daw is 6 cm. So, that is our A. So, don't forget, kapag mga ganitong shapes or ganitong pyramids, laging ang side length, siya yung laging A. Okay? So, A is equals to 6 cm. And then, ang ating height is 10 centimeter. Okay? So, given this formula natin for our volume, so volume is equals to 3 square root of 3 over 2. Then, A squared times height. Yung A natin is 6 cm. So, this is 6 cm. 10 squared. Multiply by our height na 10 centimeter. So, ngayon, isi-simplify lang natin tong formula natin. And then, yun na yung ating sagot. So, volume is equals to 3 square root of 3 over 2. And then, itong 6 cm, kapag in-square natin, so 6 times 6, that is 36. And then, yung cm, magiging cm square times 10 centimeter. Okay? And then, ngayon, at this point, pwede nyo na itong i-plug in sa calculator nyo para mas malaman nyo ng mas mabilis yung sagot. Kasi meron ulit tayo ditong hindi naman whole number yung square root niya. Yung 3 square root of 3 over 2. Okay, yung square root of 3, wala naman siyang whole number na square root. So, mahirap siyang i-manual multiplication. So, you can use your calculator para ma-solve ito. Okay? Pero, pwede pa nating ma-simplify ito. Okay? Para hindi naman tayo magre-rely lang sa calculator. So, this is 3 square root of 3 over 2. And then, itong 36 cm squared times 10 cm. So, 36 times 10, that is 360. And then, cm squared times cm, that is cm cube. So, ito, wala na talaga tayong magagawa dito. Pwede na kayong gumamit ng calculator for this part. Okay? So, 3 square root of 3 over 2 times 360 cm cube, that is equal to 935 point. So, linawan lang natin yung sulat natin. 935.31. Then, yung unit natin na cm cube. So, this is our volume for this regular hexagonal pyramid. Okay? So, for our fourth example, given naman uli is yung regular triangular pyramid na pinapakita dito sa ating illustration. So, meron tayo dyang formula. So, you can use this formula to solve for the volume. And then, for this part, kindly comment down your answer sa ating chat box. And let's see kung naintindihan nyo na yung ating lesson for today. If medyo nalilito pa kayo, you can always go back sa earlier part ng ating video, lalo na yung formula for this one kasi formula based lang naman tayo. And then may given naman dito na A. So, magpa-plug in lang kayo doon. So, pwede nyo panoorin yun kung paano tayo nag-plug in and kung paano natin isi-simplify yung ating formula. Okay? So, that's it for our video for today. I hope may natutunan kayo and maraming salamat sa panonood.